Find the maximum and minimum value of a sin square theta plus b cos square theta when a is greater than b and theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. Y equal a sin square theta plus b cos square theta. Firstly, we differentiate this function with respect to theta. We have dy by d theta equal 2a sin theta into cos theta plus 2b cos theta into minus sin theta. Then dy by d theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta common, and it is equal a minus b 2 sin cos sin 2 theta. Now differentiate this function with respect to theta again. We find d2y by d theta square. It is a minus b sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. Now for maximum and minimum value, slope of tangent is parallel to x-axis, means dy by d theta is equal to 0 by algorithm of second derivative test. Then a minus b sin 2 theta is equal 0. This implies sin 2 theta equals 0, and since theta lies between 0 and 2 pi, then the value of theta must be less than 2 pi. Then we can write sin 2 theta equal sin pi or 2 pi or sin 3 pi. The value of sin 3 pi is also 0, sin 2 pi is 0, sin pi is 0, and in all these cases theta is always less than 2 pi and lying between 0 and 2 pi. Now find theta. We have theta equal sin 2 theta equal sin pi, theta cancel out, sin cancel out, then theta equal pi by 2, or 2 theta equal 2 pi, then theta equal pi, and 2 theta equal 3 pi, theta equal 3 pi by 2. Here we see theta is in between the range 0 and 2 pi. Now firstly we check d2y by d theta square at theta equal pi by 2. Theta equal pi by 2. We have a minus b cos 2 theta, means 2 into pi by 2. 2 to cancel out, and we know that the value of cos pi is minus 1, then minus 2 a minus b. Since a is greater than b, then it is positive value, and a positive value is multiplied by a negative value, means overall value is negative. So at theta equal pi by 2, function has maximum value and maximum value is given by we simply put the value of theta in the given function. Given function is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta. Put the value. We have a sin square theta is pi by 2 plus b cos square theta is pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, a into 1 square, then it is a. Maximum value is a at theta equal pi by 2. Now check d2y by dx d theta square at theta equal pi. We have 2 a minus b into cos 2 theta. 2 theta, value of theta is pi, cos 2 pi, we know that cos 2 pi is 1, then it is 2 into a minus b. Since a is greater than b, then a minus b is a positive value, then overall value is positive. d2y by d theta square is positive at theta equal pi. It means theta at theta equal pi, function has minimum value, and minimum value is given by minimum value is put theta equal pi a sin square pi plus b cos square pi. Sin square pi is 1, then it is b. Cos square pi is minus 1 square, means 1. Now d2y by d theta square at theta equal 3 pi by 2. We have 2 into a minus b cos 2 theta means 2 into 3 pi by 2. It means 2 a minus b, and value of cos 3 pi is minus 1. Then it is overall value is negative, and at theta equal 3 pi by 2, function has maximum value because d2y by d theta square is negative. Now find maximum value. Is put theta equal 3 pi by 2. We have sin square theta plus b cos square theta. Put the value theta equal 3 pi by 2. We have a sin square 3 pi by 2 plus b cos square 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 means pi plus pi by 2. It is cos pi by 2, then value of this term is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2. It means pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2. Sin pi plus pi by 2 is sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Then it is 1. Cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 can be written as cos pi plus pi by 2. Cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta minus cos pi by 2, and the value of cos pi by 2 is 0. Then b into 0, and maximum value is a at theta equal 3 pi by 2.